So welcome back, guys. Sorry I've uploaded low, just busy. They have added in Windows Sandbox, and thought I'd make a tutorial about it. So this is only for Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise users. So what I want to do is go to, if you are running Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise with build 1903 or above, just go to turn Windows features on and off. Go down here to where it says Windows Sandbox. And yeah, it will require you to restart 1 or 2 times. For me, it's just once, but I've heard sometimes it can take 2 times. Once you get that, restart, and for normal users, if you go to Windows, W will have it. I have pinned to the taskbar, so I'll just do it the normal way most users do it. So let's go down here, and you don't have to open anything up, it's there. It will ask for administrator permissions. Once again, it does say Microsoft. Well, so just hit yes, and it shall launch. First time you launch it will take a lot longer, and basically the other times you launch it won't take as long. And see, this launched pretty quick, but that's because I've ran it before. Yeah, I think it's a really nice and neat feature. If anyone's wondering the reason it requires Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise, go back to that turn Windows features on and off. I'll showcase this while this is opening. Oh, there it is. Well, I'll just explain. See this Hyper-V? Well, if you go into it, see this little top bar here? That's Hyper-V. So Hyper-V is only for Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise, if you didn't know. I'll show something off. Shutting down or restarting will cause it to basically break, so don't do that. Another problem in other, everything is here. All resources, none of them work. Any alternative file extensions in here. Also, why are these icons hidden? I don't know why, but you know. Why is it? Okay, Windows just broke on me. Thank you, Windows. Don't worry, it's a sandbox. So I'll just turn file extensions on to make this easier. And let's say we create a new PNG file. Let's do YouTube YouTube.png. You know, PNG file. But guess what happens when you run it? MS Resource app friendly name for some reason is photos and it can't open. That's a bummer. If you close it, sometimes you'll get this error, most of the time you won't, but for me, I don't get this error most of the time. You got C:users WA utility account, I guess that's what it runs with. Desktop YouTube.png, the application cannot be started. Try reinstalling the application to fix this problem. Yeah, that requires reinstalling Windows, so sorry, no. And, you know, that. So that's not all you can do with Windows Sandbox. I have this little VBS script that just generates message boxes. And look, we can paste as a sandbox. And here's what happens on my main PC. Just some message boxes and videos. Oh, and virus protection is off, and the UAC is off, and everything runs as administrator. Forgot to mention that. That little notification has reminded me. And look what happens on the little VM. The exact same thing, except I have a theme change on here. But my point is, you know, it's the same. Let's go for all these message boxes. I did not expect this to be so long. So let's see. I've just been way too long just playing around putting applications in. This is kind of like what I first did. And on this PC, you know, I got shutdown, VBS, credits. I won't put links to any of these applications, even if you can normally download them, just search them up, I guess. Ooh, why is the sandbox? Oh, well, yeah, that happens a lot. Sandbox just completely stops responding. Sandbox will respond, we'll continue on this video. If not, yeah. Time is pretty much the same. Oh, Is it back? Okay, it's back. Time is kind of delayed, but works. Oh. I did not get... Everything is airing out today. Yes, installed. No. Well, we aren't doing this today, guys. But funnily enough, last time I tested on this application, it would work. It doesn't work for the videos. Let's see. What other apps do we have? Trying to think of stuff. On everyone's wondering if I'll, do any malware on this sandbox. No, I won't. Might sometime, but no, just not today. Okay, this is just a batch script I made, also from Phil, similar to the VBS. And on this PC, got this, just goes through some random text. If anything is happening, opens Paint. This is just a random thing I made on this calculator, and that's pretty much it. But on this PC, it does the exact same thing. So, it'll launch up Paint, it'll launch up Calculator. It's pretty simple to do. Actually, same message boxes. Voila, Paint. Ah, frick. I did not mean to do that. We didn't launch Calculator, probably because it's broken. Can we launch Calculator? Calculator doesn't even exist. App display name. I want to launch it. I'm just gonna test some things. But y'all know why the little air message generator ain't working. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, this copy of once is not activated. Yeah, it never says. It's not activated. It just ain't. Let's see, what do we have here? Little license.txt file I made for license agreements. Got that. Just, some little, BS thing I made. Nothing important. Some kind of copy or something. But yeah, I guess we'll just see everything about this. It's pretty much same as normal Windows, and if you full screen it, well, it's even bigger. Let's see, what can we launch? Notepad, of course, works fine. Guess we'll spend a minute, testing this. Trying to see how generic this is to everything. As you can see, everything runs in administrator mode, except the path wasn't correct. If no one doesn't know, in normal administrator command prompt, it'd go to the system32 directory. Doesn't seem to want to. Whatever. I really love this program. I actually heard about it way before it was released, and I've been wanting to play around with it. I've been wanting to, play around with it. It's only in Windows. Okay, there is no download. Same with my Hyper-V thing. If wondering that is, it's the XP video. If you're going to. Oh, and Event Viewer is broken. It launches, it's just broken. Let's see, what else can we play around with here? Registry editor. See, the UAC is also dead. It's off. Once again, it would only pop a UAC window if, if anyone didn't know. That actually happens, warn you about the changes. Also, you cannot use this program until you hit OK on the MS box. Got your classy software, system, registry keys, H key, everything. Alright, if you're wondering what this little file is, apparently, I'm not sure where. See if we can find it. Apparently, every time, for some reason, every time you launch it, it causes a blank file called fixcry, and if you launch it up in, like, say, Notepad, it only contains A. That's just weird. I just noticed that. But I guess that's pretty much it. There wasn't much you had to do. Oh, and also, 100% on the, audio. What's in here? You're just connected to the network. I guess it's your default network, I guess. We'll get wrapped up soon. I'm just showing off some stuff that you can do. Here's a big problem with it. It constantly locks up. Also, it's basically just like if you're, installed Windows and copy stuff in and stuff. It's not too rare. No, it didn't just happen for the video. This actually happens a lot. Windows PowerShell folder, like it's always in Windows. Windows security, classy. Windows administrative tools is just basically the full version of this. Raspberry diagnostic. Task scheduler. I love task scheduler. Once again, it is also broken. It launches, but still broken. I don't know what you're meant to do here. But that wraps it up. Another thing about this sandbox is if you try to restart, it goes black. Nothing happens. You can't do anything. And see, you know how all those files? Well, if you relaunch Sandbox, like it says in the warning, you can pause that if you want to read it. But essentially, basically, if you close out, relaunch it, it essentially, let's just say, resets. Don't know why you can't restart properly. Is that a bug or something? I don't know. That's just extend the insider builds. No, I don't do insider builds just yet, but, I've watched videos about it. This won't sandbox program. Mine will sandbox load. I'm picking you. There it is. And see, look, nothing is here. Look, we have so many files. They're still on our computer, but, this. Oh, it's an out-of-date version of Windows, if anyone catch that. At least that's about it. Well, why did you hit disconnect? I don't know. It just causes the connection to be lost, so really, we won't do anything about the issue. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and suggest ideas in the comments below. But yeah, I won't be able to upload when the school year starts much, but I know, taking advantage of summer break. But anyways, about that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. And suggest ideas in the comments below. And if someone submits an idea, I'll try it out, and I'll do a shout out. Anyways, whatever. Please like, comment, subscribe, suggest ideas in the comments below. Bye.